Hi, I'm John Talbert, Director of Professional Services here at HCL, specializing in BigFix services since 2006. Today, I'm here to talk to you about secure parameters. We're going to do a quick 5-minute topic coverage on that one. I'm going to start off with a quick search to get BigFix secure parameters. And there's a forum posting out there that comes up first. Let's go ahead and use that. And in that forum posting, there's this post from Aram Abligadian that points us at a bigfix.me fixlet. And this is a sample fixlet. Click on that. This will get me to my distribute secrets. Why do I want to do this? Well, I might want to send something to the endpoint that isn't divulged anywhere along the way in the relays, in the server, in the action files, in the log files, in the database, anywhere. And this is a method to get that to happen. That might be changing the administrator's password. It might be interacting with SQL and needing a login in order to do some logged in type of transactions. The world's open for what you could use this for. Just really going to talk about the method for getting it there. So I've got this BES file. I'm going to go ahead and download this thing. I got to accept the terms. I'm going to save it. Okay, now we've got a copy of this thing. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's in there. Edit with Notepad. Let's see. There's my title. There's my description. And the description is actually where the magic happens for this thing. I'm going to show you a little bit more on that in a minute. We've got the typical minefields. We got relevance. The relevance for this one's just true. It's nothing fancy in here. And then we got an action script, and there's a little bit of magic that takes place in the action script as well. We'll show you that once it gets into the console. So let's get rid of this. I'm going to double click on this, and it's going to import it into my console. Now, you'll notice there is a input box here, and that input box is HTML. If you were to need to change that, you would probably want to go edit the HTML in the description file in the BES file before importing it. There's also this little script thing. This allows you to see the JavaScript that's inside of the description that deals with the secrets. There are 2 secrets in this fixlet. The first one is, well, the second one is secret 2, my hard-coded relevance secret -42. So this is going to be passed to the action script when the action runs in an encoded way that nobody can get to except for the client that is being targeted. The second one is just called the secret, and it is set earlier in this script by this line right here, get element by ID secret, right? So when this action takes place, the console knows what to do with this function, and it knows what to do with this function. Most of this you just leave exactly like it is. The only pieces that you'd want to mess with are what's inside of this secret too, or you could change the name of the variable here to be something different. So I'm going to press OK here, and I'll just create this in my action site. That's fine. So now we've got this fixlet, and this fixlet can be used to target secret things to an endpoint. I'm going to type in here secret. What secret do I want to do today? Okay, and you don't know what I've typed in there, and nobody does, except for myself. I'm going to click here to deploy it, and it hasn't checked in on this, so I'll just target manually my server. Okay, I've taken this action against my server. Here's my client file. That should update in just a little bit once this comes down. In the meantime, I want to show you that no place in here does it show you secret 2 or secret. In the action script, we are referencing those secrets by parameter secret of action and parameter secret 2 of action. These are arbitrary names that we talked about earlier in the JavaScript. So there's nothing special about how these are named. They just need to match what's in the JavaScript. And what this is going to do for our demo, it's going to put these secrets into a file on the endpoint, so we'll be able to see what they are. Normally, you wouldn't want to do this. Or if you did it, you'd want to clean this file up after you're done. So let's see. 52, 53, it looks like it's fired. Yeah, it looks like my action has gone off, and you can see here's my action script, and it doesn't tell me what the parameters are, and that's a feature of this. If I wanted to turn that on, I could. There are action commands for that, but by default, it hides these for you because they're secret. And let's go look at my C drive now, because now I should have yep, there it is, secret. It was just created, and I'm going to check and see what's in there, and there they are. So the thing I typed into there was today's space secret, and there's my coded secret that was passed along as well. So they got all the way to the endpoint, but they weren't divulged in any of the FXF files or in the database or any place else. I could take some time to show you that, but it would take more than the 5 minutes that I've set aside for this video. I hope that was helpful for getting you a bootstrap on distributing secrets in BigFix. If you're looking for us later, you can catch us out on the forum or on Slack. There are scan me things for so you can find your way out there. Have a great day and happy big fixing.
If you enjoyed this video, please click like. If you'd like to be notified when there's updates, please subscribe to the BigFix TA YouTube channel. The link is below.